Hello everyone, here's how you can create a fixed bundle under 60 seconds. To create a fixed bundle, click on create new bundle, move over to the fixed bundle, click on that. Here you're going to be choosing your products, click on browse. You can see a full list of your products that you have available on your shop. I'm going to select 2 and done. After that, you're going to be choosing the discount type you want to use on this specific bundle and then choose the value for it. In this section, you can either decide to dedicate a product page to the bundle or disable the product page for that bundle. After that is the title, which you can modify, the product description. You can add your files and medias from there. This part, we're going to be explaining it in another video. And here there's a checkbox in which you can decide to show the bundle widget on the product pages or not.